In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy link a Fiverr gig. If you've ever needed to send someone a Fiverr service page, this simple walkthrough will show you exactly how to grab a clean, shareable link. I'll go slowly so you can follow along on a computer or a phone. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Any modern browser works fine. In the Google search bar, type the word Fiverr and press Enter. Look for the official result that uses the fiverr.com domain. Choosing the official site helps you avoid any lookalike pages or third-party redirects, which can cause broken or misleading links. Click the result to open the Fiverr homepage. You don't have to sign in just to copy a gig link. But if you have an account and you're already logged in, that won't hurt anything. From here, open the gig you want to share. You can do this by navigating through categories or by using the search bar at the top to find the service you have in mind. Once you see the gig you want, click to open its dedicated page so you're looking at the full listing with the title, images, pricing, and description. On the gig page, look for the share icon. On desktop, this is typically located near the top area of the page, close to the gig title or near the Save or Heart button. On mobile, it may appear below the main images or alongside other quick actions. The icon usually looks like an arrow or a share symbol. Click the share icon. A small menu will pop up with different sharing options. In that menu, select Copy Link. The moment you click Copy Link, Fiverr places the gig's URL onto your clipboard. You may see a brief confirmation on the screen indicating that the link has been copied successfully. That's it. Your gig link is now ready to paste wherever you need it. A quick tip. You can test it by pasting into a note or a message to make sure it opens the same gig page you were viewing. It's normal for the link to include extra characters that help Fiverr track context. You can share it as is, and it will work. If the share menu doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page and clicking the icon again, and make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups or overlays. To recap, you went to Google, searched for Fiverr, opened the official site, navigated to the gig you wanted, clicked the share icon, and then selected Copy Link. You now have a reliable link you can share with clients, teammates, or friends.